left?
Left, brother. In the signal left.
But you know, I'm living also here.
Yeah.
I was going to saving time for signal. Just only 1 second. But now 1, 2, 3.
No problem. It's better. This way is more faster, you know. If you go this right, and I feel it's too long and too traffic.
This way also same. Let me show you 1 second.
No, but this one is better. Every day I'm going
Yeah,
on this
Al
way.
Rayyan Road, no?
Yeah, Al Rayyan, then Shamal.
Then Shamal. Me
Yeah.
also going there.
The same thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
Same thing.
Okay, brother. It's okay.
No problem.
The same thing it will go.
First priority customer.
Yes.
Customer satisfied.
Customer is always right. So that's it. So I'm in the Uber and yan. We're talking about which way is easiest. So I choose this way. So this is me. Go to work now. I will go to work.